Show you today how to make a 2D scene using the ARPG system. You open up your game database as usual, and inside your game database, you go to your player or anything you want to create, and here it says detection type. Just switch it to 2D. That's it. All right, so you see if you switch it to 3D, some things will change. All right, so your options might change here, but you just change the detection type as it says here in the description. Then you'll use the, like Rigid Body 2Ds, Box Collider 2Ds, all of Unity's 2D system. To find out also where this can be changed, if you go to your project settings, it gets created with your databases here. I have it selected over here. So this saves all your settings for a particular database. You go to templates and Unity defaults, it's this thing right here that's switching back and forth. So that's it. You just do that, you choose all your options, and then you hit create. Did that here. We have our character will be created then based on the options you chose. And then you see now it has 2D detection types. And that works with all the systems. Okay, that's it.